guys, it's Aaron from How To's by Bros. In this video, I'm going to show you how to jump higher for a backflip. So how to jump higher for a backflip, what you're going to do is practice your frog jumps. So practice your frog jumps like these. Practice those. Practice just jumping around, you know, jump around your house, jump all the time. Just dial in your jump. And then obviously learning a backflip is pretty simple. It's all mental though. You know, it's hard mentally, but physically it's easy. Basically, what you want to do for the backflip is swing your arms like crazy, go up, shoot up, and yeah, just tuck your knees in, tuck tight, flip fast without swinging your arms as much. See, that's a backflip without swinging your arms. And this is a backflip with swinging your arms. A lot better. So, yeah, a quick video on how to do a backflip, how to jump higher for a backflip. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit that notifications bell for more videos, and I'll talk to you guys later.